start this video off, got the 22-inch in locker in slate gray, and I also got the little side in cabinet that goes on the big box here. So that's how it fits in the back of my short bed truck. Pretty simple. Just got it cinched up, kind of tied up against the roll cover there, and made it back, the 20 miles or so without a problem. So I'm gonna get this thing out of here and let's start getting it set up onto the big box. So I am gonna film this probably in fast motion. It's just unpacking it, and that way I can have the fan on and it won't be blowing in here. So you'll see the fan moving some air around in this garage. Well, that was pretty easy. The little lip on the side here is on both sides, so you can decide, and it just hooks right over this. Now, see if we can get this far enough away. Yeah. So now it's still loose on the bottom, but it comes with these just 2 bolts. And on the side of the big box is some nutserts, and it wants me to go underneath. See those holes on the side there? Well, those holes correspond with some holes in the side of the toolbox. So I'm gonna get those screwed in. I probably won't show that happening. And then I'll get to this next part here, be installing the big locker on the side. Okay, let's try an idea here. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Help me lift it up. I'm gonna use my jack. Get a little gap there for It worked. That was actually easy also. I put this on there, I don't know if that's in the video. Jacked it up, rolled it around over there, easy. First things first, there are 2 right up here bolts, and there's like a nutsert built into the big box that connects to, and there's 2 that you have to lay on the ground and go to underneath. Now, the way the door is opening is not good. It opens into the cabinet, blocks view. The door can be switched, so it's just a bunch of Phillips screws, and then you just flip it over and screw it back in. So I'll show you that real quick. see enough. Here it is, all put together, and it's pretty big. I don't even know what I'm gonna put in some of it right now, so I'll go pick up all my tools. So if you're just tuning in now, and for the big reveal here, this is the 72-inch box with the matching top hutch, the side cabinet, and the side locker. And then I switched, as you saw in the video, I switched the door so it opens the other way. And I'll tell you the reason why. If it opens towards the box and that top's open, it actually hits and can dent and scratch it. But you know, it's a toolbox, it's going to get dented and scratched. I don't have the light plugged in right now, but it's got a nice, pretty deep drawer. I was able to fit, and then this open. So everything comes with locks for all this box, for that, and that. The garage is slanted, so that's why this door keeps trying to close. I do need to get a light for up in here. I might do some LEDs up here underneath these shelves. There's plenty of pass through in the back. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let me grab this. So these shelves are adjustable. They have little tabs you can, put in there and get that all done. The bottom drawer does pull out, but that bottom shelf does not go up. I think that one is fixed. Not sure why. Yeah, it's fixed. So here's this little side cabinet. They call it a 22-inch end cabinet. I was able to fit like barely these in there. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them in there. I really thought about doing screwdrivers in this drawer because I don't like my screwdrivers in this drawer. But we'll see. I'm not sure what I'm putting in there. So I do have one big project coming up. I'll give you a little teaser right now. I'm going to build a wood top for this, and I have a big vise. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that vise so that it can have it out here and run stuff across. I use a vise in some of my work pretty often. I'm just going to have to find a way to secure it to the table. I mean, I can obviously screw it right through the top there. It does have holes. So if I get the wood right to that hole, I can easily just put a nut and, a washer, a screw, and that'd be fine. I won't have to drill holes in it then. Nice big thick rubber mat. These did come with some whole packet of drawer liners. That stuff that stinks really bad. So yeah, thanks for watching to the end here. This is the box all set up, other than getting some lights in it. I do have that one light in it. And if you want to watch the other video of me delivering, unpacking, setting up the original box, there's a whole video for that. It's fun to watch. I lifted all this up by myself and delivered it with a trailer, with my truck. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button for more content. I'm going to start organizing out all these drawers. I'm going to try some foam and some good setups once I get all my tools down here. So thanks for watching. Bye.